In this problem, we're trying to figure out M, which is the median, must satisfy which of the following. So what I did was I added these numbers up by hand, okay? I mean, I just went 29 and 58, 17, that's going to be 87, and then 36, that's 13, 9, 10, 11, 12, 123, and then 21. And basically, I stopped because there's a total of 161. So that means you've got 80 on one side and 80 on the other, and then 1 in the middle. The 81st one is the median, okay? So then I looked to see where would the 81st one be. Well, if you sum these two numbers together, you get 87. So 81 would have to be in that age group right there. So your answer is A.